Welcome back. I wanted to do a quick video on how to resize a Google slide so you can print it on a note card or a full piece of paper, depending on what your purpose is. It's pretty easy. Just go up to File, go to Page Setup, change it from widescreen to custom. At this point, you can type in whatever you want. For a note card, a common one is a 3 by 5 or a 4 by 6. And whenever you're done, just hit apply. If you want to print a full piece of paper, do a 8.5 by 11 and then hit apply. You can see how it shapes it to what a piece of paper would be, and then when you're done you just press print and you can print it. I hope this is helpful, and please subscribe and like for more content. Thanks for watching.